Our next topic is to cover our document. To cover our document, we have to follow some steps. First, we have to click on the insert tab. Second, we have to select the cover option, that means cover page option, and also third, select the desired page cover setting, which I am going to show you. For this, you can see here. So here one word has written, this is my class. So first I am going to click on the insert tab. Next, we have to select the page cover. You can see cover page option here is given. So after clicking on this type of menu will appears. From here you can apply any one. So you can see here is given so many. So I am going to apply alphabet. So you can see this type of interface will appears above our page. So according to your need you can apply, and you can also edit your names. Suppose I want to write the class here, CLASS, whatever you want to write you can write, and also you can write your sections and anything according to your need you can write. Next, also whatever you want to write you can write here, and you can also change, also you can change the page setting also. Suppose if you don't like this page, then you can apply another, you can select another cover page. For this again you have to click on here, and then you have to select any ones. Okay, he has given so many, you can select anyone. So suppose I am going to change, apply another. So you can see according to your needs you can apply any cover. Okay, our next topic is to add slide bar strip in a document. For this again we have to follow some steps. Click on the insert tab, and also select the text box option, and also change the desired settings, which I am going to show you. Now you can see, to add slide bar strip, first we have to click on the insert tab. So you can see I am going to click on the insert tab, and then we have to select the text box option. You can see text box option here is given. So I am going to click on this. Okay, so after this type of interface will appear. So we have to select any one text according to our needs. If you want to draw another, then you can draw also. So suppose I am going to select alphabet. So after this, selecting this type of interface will appear. Here you can write anything according to your needs. Whatever you want to write you can write. And also if you want to change the colors, that means background color, then you can apply also colors. For this simply you have to click on the more option here, you can see, and then you have to apply any one colors according to your needs. Okay, see here. Okay, our next topic is edit or delete word art option. To edit or delete word art option, simply we have to follow some steps which I am going to show you. So suppose here, okay, see here, has given select the word art text. After that the format tabs will appear up automatically. So here is our word art. I am going to click here. So after selecting you can see format tab, you can see on the bigger screen. So I am selecting this word, you can see format tabs is here, and now you can see edit text box here. So after clicking on this type of window will appears, and here you can change anyone. This is my Lovely lovely school. Suppose I want to write this, you can write or edit anything. So after this you have to click on OK. You can see the changes. Okay, if you want to edit in another way, then simply you have to select the text, and then you have to right click, and then you can select the edit text options. And here you can see, if you want to delete anything, but then simply you have to select and you have to delete, and then you have to click on the OK. You can see the changes.